Marsha Johnson had always felt the rhythm of Jamaica pulsating through her veins. Born and raised in the vibrant neighborhood of Negril, she spent her childhood dancing barefoot on the sandy beaches, mimicking the moves she saw from the island's legendary dancers. Now, at 30, she was a force to be reckoned with in the dancehall scene, known for her fierce spirit and electrifying energy. For as long as she could remember, Marsha dreamed of competing for the coveted dancehall queen crown, a title held by the most talented and charismatic dancers in Jamaica. This year's competition was particularly special, taking place during the annual reggae festival in front of thousands of fans. The stage sparkled under the tropical sun, and the air was thick with anticipation. As the day of the competition approached, Marsha practiced tirelessly. Her living room transformed into a dance studio, mirrors adorned the walls, music filled the air, and the rich scent of jerk chicken simmering on the stove wafted through the open window. Her friends would stop by to watch her rehearse, cheering her on and reminding her of all the hard work she'd put into her craft. On the night of the competition, the atmosphere was electric. Dancers from all over the island gathered, each representing their own unique styles and stories. Marsha felt a mix of excitement and nerves as she watched the other contestants perform, each one more talented than the last. When her turn finally arrived, she stepped onto the stage, her heart pounding like a drum. The moment the music started, she transformed. The heavy bass reverberated through her body, and she lost herself in the movement. Her choreography was a blend of traditional dancehall steps and her own innovative flair, incorporating powerful spins, intricate footwork, and sultry expressions that captivated the audience. As she danced, she felt the unwavering support of her family and friends cheering from the front row, their spirited shouts urging her on. As the performance reached its climax, Marsha executed a breathtaking final move, an inverted spin that landed her perfectly on one knee, her arms raised high in triumph. The crowd erupted into applause, their cheers echoing through the night. In that moment, she knew she had given it her all. The judges deliberated, and the tension was palpable. Then, with a flourish, the head judge announced the winner, Marsha Johnson. Tears of joy streamed down her face as she was crowned dancehall queen, the sunlight glinting off her glittering tiara. In that instant, she felt an overwhelming sense of accomplishment, knowing that her journey, filled with passion, dedication, and love for her culture, had led her to this extraordinary moment. As she held the trophy aloft, Marsha promised herself to inspire others in her community to chase their dreams, just as she had. From that day forward, she wasn't just Marsha from Negril, she was a beacon of hope, proof that with hard work and heart, anything was possible under the Jamaican sun.